Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get 20 million Bitcoin finance. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So when you tap on the link in the description box, this is what it will come. It will redirect you to your browser. Any browser that you are using, it will redirect you there. So as you can see, I've filled everything. So here you type in your email, you type in your password, then you confirm, then you select the country you are, then so I'm in Ghana, then you go to sign up. So it says confirm your provided information, email dicecrypto@gmail.com, affiliated code is dice20, then you go to confirm. When you go to confirm, they will say please check your email at dicecrypto.com for verification code. So you have to close here. So when you open your email, you find that they've sent you email verification details. So you have to tap on it, then you go to the account, then you copy this verification code. After copying, go to click here to verify. Click here to verify. Okay, so when it opens like this, as I told you to copy the verification code, so they will ask you to enter the activation code. So what I copied, I'm going to paste it here. So go to paste, then go to activate. So after the activation is done, go back to your browser again, then type in the details that you use for the registration. So the first one, first of all, you have to type in your email address, then the password that you used, then you go to sign in. Okay, they will ask you to confirm the 2 million Bitcoin finance. So you just have to get now. So when you go to get now, it says congratulations, you have rewarded 2 million Bitcoin finance. So up next, you have to do your withdrawal. So it says update your wallet and withdraw Bitcoinf. Join and subscribe to the project official channels and all those stuff. So you can join them on their following channels below. Alright, so I'm going to close this because I have already joined them. So I'm going to close it. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to add their contract address to your Bitkeep account. The next thing that you are going to do is to create your affiliated code. So when you tap here, they will ask you to create your own affiliated code. So let's say for instance, it has to be a mixture of digits and digits and letters, so or numbers and letters. So it should be dicecrypto20, then you go to save. You receive your Bitcoin F 2 million pieces. So this is your referral link that you can use to send other people to register from it. Alright, so right now I'm going to teach you how to add their contract address. Okay, so the next process is to open your Bitkeep account. So if you don't have Bitkeep, go to Apple Store or Play Store and download Bitkeep wallet. It's a crypto wallet. So when you open your Bitkeep account, go to the plus on top here. Go to the plus. Then I'll be leaving their contract address in the description box. So copy it or write it down, then go and copy it. Type it in your note or any either WhatsApp, so that you can copy it and paste it here. So when you copy or when you type in the contract address here, so you paste it. So it will be searching for the Bitcoin Finance automatically. So as you can see from here, there is the Bitcoin Finance. So pick this one. Sorry, it's called Bitcoin Future. The F means future. So you'll be seeing your Bitcoin Future here. So when you tap on it, it will be adding it automatically to your wallet. So added success. Then you go back, you copy your contract address. So you copy, then you go back to the browser. So after you come back to the browser, the next thing that you have to do is go to the redraw. When you paste in your contract address, this is what you have to do. Just type the following: 2 million. So after you are saved with the information, go back to the withdrawer. Keep this in mind: airdrop are 100% free. Do not pay any fee or penny for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop project. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share, so that any point in time we share any video, you will be the first person to enjoy from that project.